You love that arch gap, don't you? You love that arch gap. Look at that. That's how you want it.
That's what it was like. That's what it felt like anyway. Hello, Danny.
Hello, mate.
You're not going to let me in the video a little bit? That's it.
Another Ralliart.
Yeah.
Another red.
Another red Ralliart. Customer watched the tail end of the map from the first Ralliart and decided that he wanted a 3-pot solenoid.
He needed a 3-pot solenoid in his life.
Yeah, he needed a 3-pot solenoid in his life because he wasn't going to be happy with the 200 brake he was going to get from the standard one. So yeah, a bit more workshop work. We've done that first and rattled that out and got the solenoid in and then gone on to do some mapping. So
this car's been here before.
This car's been here before. It had a slipping clutch last time. Did 2 pulls and had a slipping clutch.
So we said that we'd finish the map for free.
Yeah, we said we'd have it back and do the map free, which is obviously we've stuck to that. We fitted a 3-port and obviously mapped it today, and it's leaving us on 216 brake. I can't remember what foot pounds was. 220?
230?
230?
He's going to go find out.
It is 227.
227 foot-pound of torque. So over a non-map car, this is going to be like night and day.
Yeah, I mean, we've got the stock run from this car when we initially did it anyway, and we've obviously got that finalised run on the screen, so we can have a look at that. I think the customer's over the moon, got some pops and bangs.
Got some pops and bangs.
He's well and really happy. So shall we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, come on, let's look at the graph. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as you came in. On this occasion, it's a green line. We finished mapping today, and all that area underneath the green line is an increase in power. So we've gone from 162 brake horsepower at 173 foot-pound of torque to 216 brake horsepower and 227 foot-pound of torque. And that is, if I could zoom in properly, there we go. That is a staggering increase. So he's going to absolutely love that. And he's going to love dropping bombs on the way home. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. A bit more workshop work for us to do now. We've got some FO2s to work on, do some bushes, things like that. But this is another red Ralliart in the bag. And we'll see you on the next video, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
We will indeed.
fast.